Okay, welcome back, guys. I'm here with the famous beauty queen of the Philippines, Miss Universe 2021, right?
Miss Universe Philippines 2020.
2021, the one and only. Please do the honor to introduce yourself.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I'm Beatrice Luigi Gomez, Miss Universe Philippines 2021.
Okay, Miss Bea, welcome to Santo Domingo. Ano ang feeling na maging judge ngayong gabi for the Ginoo at Binibining Santo Domingo 2026?
It's been a while since the last time I judged a pageant, and I feel very honored and grateful to everyone who's invited me here today. The last time I was in Laguna, it was during Anilag Festival, and I'm very happy that I'm back here para sa Ginoo at Binibining Santo Domingo pageant. So I'm very excited tonight.
Wow! So, bilang isang beauty queen po na dumaan na rin sa kompetisyon, ano ang pinaka-importante mong tinitingnan sa isang candidate?
Well, of course, it's his or her confidence up on the stage. You know when a candidate is very much prepared when hindi siya nag-hesitate. Kilala niya yung sarili niya, alam mong naghanda siya, alam mong binibigay niya lahat sa performance niya up on the stage. It will really resonate when you know that someone has prepared enough and is confident and he or she knows what he or she is representing. So, yun talaga yung tinitingnan ko. Yung security niya about himself or herself.
Okay, last na po ito, Miss Bea. Para sa mga aspiring pageant candidates na nangangarap makatungtong sa national or international stage, ano ang message mo sa kanila?
Well, of course, you have to know the reason why you want to join the pageant. And I know that joining pageants is very tough. So you need to be really prepared. You have to prepare holistically. So that's physical, of course. It's very important that you take good care of yourself because if you want to perform well, dapat healthy ka mentally, physically, and emotionally. So there are a lot of things to prepare for, but you should not be easily overwhelmed. So, it's very important na alam mo yung pinapasukan mo. It takes a lot of courage. And, of course, there will be times na mahihirapan ka, but don't give up easily. Remember the reason why you joined the pageant and just have an anchor. When times get tough, you always go back to your core, and when you remember the reason why you joined, hindi ka easily give up.
Okay, Miss Bea, nagtatanong mga supporters mo, ano daw ang mga upcoming events mo for this year na inaabangan na nila?
Well, a lot of people may have not known it yet. I am laying low on show business and pageantry, but of course, behind the cameras, I am still supporting all of the aspirants of pageantry, all of the creatives that have been working hard to make pageants happen. So I am still keeping in touch with my friends in the creative industry, but I have been laying low. I am working full-time in the government. So,
Okay, that's it. Kindly invite the viewers to follow your social media accounts or anything you want to promote.
well, there's nothing much happening in my social media accounts, but if you want to see what I've been doing, you can follow me in my Instagram, Beatrice Luigi GMZ.
Okay, thank you so much,
Thank you
Miss
very
Bea.
much, Miss Lala.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.